This is the Ohaus MB92, the successor to the extremely popular MB90 Moisture Analyzer. It's redesigned housing built with stronger material and an innovative new carbon fiber heating technology, plus an upgraded load cell offers enhanced durability and performance, and is a massive update to its predecessors. Its shortened analysis time saves power and keeps results accurate and consistent. I'm Efren Barraza, Service Manager here at Laboratory Instrument Specialists. We service and sell laboratory instruments such as the CEM Smart 6, Sartorius LMA200, and the Ohaus MB models. You can find all our products or parts on our website at lissci.com or contact us directly for laboratory equipment servicing. The Ohaus MB92 was introduced in late 2024. The MB92 is the exact same size as the other two models, coming in at 21 by 13.8 by 35.2 centimeter and weighing 4.3 kilograms or 9.5 pounds. The front of the unit is a 4.3-inch capacitive touchscreen and does not include a rotating or pressable knob. The MB92 has a flexible method and sample management with 4 drawing programs, 8 shutoff criteria, and storage for up to 20 methods and 200 test results with sample ID for easy memory recall. Below the display are 4 buttons. The first button is the on-off button and previous menu button. The second button is the print button. Third button, when short pressed, will start the drawing and analyzing process. During the drawing process, pressing this button will abort drawing. The last button is to tear the scale or return to the home screen when in a menu. The top of the touchscreen display are 5 buttons. On the top left is user login. To the right of that is the method library. Next is the application setting, then the past results folder. And the last button will take you to the main menu. The MB92 has a scale capacity of 90 grams and a minimum starting weight of 0.5 grams. The scale readability is 0.01% or 0.001 gram with a repeatability of 0.08% on a 3-gram sample or 0.015% on a 10-gram sample. The sample moisture range must be between 0.01% to 100% moisture or 0.01% to 1000% in regain mode. However, the recommended moisture content of a sample is between 0.5% to 100%. The dimensions of sample pans and pads used in the MB92 are 9 centimeter radius or 3.5 inches. You can purchase our LIS branded sample pans on our website at lissci.com. Links will be down in the description. In order to perform a weight calibration, you will need a 50-gram weight. From the home screen, press the main menu button. Select Adjustments, select Weight Adjustments, remove the sample pad, if any, and hit Start. Follow the instructions on the screen and apply your 50-gram weight. Unload the weight when prompted, and the calibration will be completed after a few seconds. The results will be displayed on the screen. Press the home button to go back to the home screen. Now add your 50-gram weight again. The scale should read exactly 50 grams. In order to perform a test, you will need the following: 9 centimeter aluminum dishes, 9 centimeter round sample pads, and a pipette. Open the cover, grab one of your sample pads and place them on the scale. Place the sample pan on top, followed by another sample pad. Close the cover to automatically tare. Open the cover to apply 2 to 3 grams of your sample. Then grab the sample pad under the dish and place on top of the other sample pad like a sandwich to ensure as much sample product gets absorbed. Close the cover and the drying process will begin. An orange light will light up on the cover handle. Once the drying is completed, the unit will beep and the light will turn green. Dispose of your sample and you're ready to begin another test. Thanks for watching. If you're in the market for a top quality moisture solids analyzer, balance, or scale, be sure to check out our vast selection on our website, lissci.com. We've got new and reconditioned options available to suit your needs. And if you've got any instruments that need servicing or regular scheduled preventive maintenance, reach out to us at info@lissci.com or fill out our service request form on the website. We look forward to helping you get the most out of your equipment. Have a great day.